We got this really unique project for you guys here today. Client came to us with a huge hole in his backyard and we turned it into this. So we have this unique staircase coming down into the space. We have these 4-foot high walls all the way around. We thought about doing stone, but it seemed a little heavy. We wanted to brighten up the space, so we used the recessed panel PVC, capped it off with a blue stone, and the PVC ties right into everything in the house. Just around the corner, as soon as you walk in, we have the built-in kitchen space. We did a 10-foot kitchen base in the powder-coated aluminum. We went with gray to match the blue stone as well as the pergola. And over here, we have the VIP area, all covered, screened in. VIP always feels a little more important, so we lifted it up 3 steps up, give it a little more dominance. We have a little dining area over here. We did a nice spacious lounge over here. Slat wall with the gray decking to match the pergola. And for added comfort, we put fans in there to keep them nice and cool throughout the summer. They have 2 infrared heaters with about a 12-foot radius of heat. It could be 30, it'll feel like 70 under this roof. And also, to make it even better, press of a button, screens drop down, and they're totally bug-free. We have the full-size dining table over here, plenty of room for everyone. With a beautiful vignette, a little privacy, sitting down lower in the space. We have the fire pit area, roast marshmallows, make some s'mores. Truly one-of-a-kind space here. Not very many clients come to us with a huge hole in their backyard, asking us what should we do. Initial thoughts, they wanted to fill it in, and I'm so glad that they didn't. I think this is such a unique, beautiful space that we created here. Just everything from the blue stone to the PVC wraps. If you guys were wowed by this space, make sure you give us a follow. We got plenty more coming your way soon.